What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be taking apart the intake manifold. This is off my C63, and we're going to be cleaning it. And I'm also going to be putting in a new throttle body plate because this entire intake manifold is made out of like a magnesium alloy, and they're known to corrode. So for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and replace that part with an aluminum one that I ordered off of eBay. If you do want to purchase one of those, I will put a link in the description below so you can go ahead and do that. Something else that you want to do is that these two cables right here, you want to take them off of this bracket. These cables go to the throttle body so they can open and close. There is a grommet on the bottom that we're also going to have to push in. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and flip this thing over. There's going to be some oil in it, so just keep that in mind. Now, in order to clean this, I'm going to take it to AutoWorks because they have a parts cleaner. It's going to be a lot easier to clean this thing with that. But if you're doing this at home, you can use some degreaser and, you know, rinse it out and stuff like that. Just make sure you let it dry. But now that I got that cover off, there's some tabs on this end that cover the screws. So you just got to lift those up. And there's like this little frame that holds in the throttle body plate. So I'm going to bring these tabs up right here, just like that. Look at all that oil. Wow. Now it is a lot of oil, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than I thought it would be. So this is the plate that I was talking about. This is the plate that I will be replacing because they are known to crack and produce holes in this area, as well as over here, I believe, as well. But I mean, I see no damage here. My car did not have a check engine light or anything, but it did have a weird idle, like I said in the previous video. So I'm thinking that the PCV will solve that idle issue, but as for peace of mind, I'm going to go ahead and replace this plate. So I just got in the new throttle body plate. This one is made out of aluminum, so it will not corrode. There's a little bit of like metal shavings and stuff that I'm going to clean out, and then I think I should be good to put this thing back together. So I'm going to go ahead and get this intake manifold put back together, and then we should be good to throw it back into the car. If you guys are wondering, the reason why all I did was clean it and I didn't paint it is because I am worried that the paint will flake off and it will get sucked into my engine. So I did not want to bother with painting it. That will do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you do smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit that post notification bell. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.